Good morning, peeps. It's Sunday, I do believe. Might be Saturday. I think it's Saturday. I was out of work yesterday because I was sick. I wasn't feeling good. Got drops of water on my glasses, and I don't know what's going on. It seems kind of dark to me, and it's not my glasses. I know they got water on them, but it's not my glasses that's causing me an issue. But anyway, I got an emergency, a little bit of an emergency because of my lack of maintenance. But I've got a chicken coop I need to move. And the last time I made a time-lapse video, it worked out pretty good with my new little tripod. So, I'm going to try this again. See if I can make another time-lapse video. Mode, and I have very little faith and trust in cell phones and technology working the way I want to. But we're going to keep trying. I'm not going to give up. I might get frustrated and I might cuss a little bit, but I'm not going to give up. So anyway, we're going to try to make a little time-lapse video of me moving this chicken coop. So I'll have to edit it a little bit, that and that, but this is my goal. Try to move the chickens. Try to show you how I'm going to move the chickens. And maybe it'll work. So let me go ahead and get this thing stopped. Try to get my camera set up, and then I'll start the video here in a little bit. From there to there with the lawnmower. I used the dolly and a ratchet strap, and I hooked the ratchet to the back of the lawnmower, run the ratchet strap through there, and I put it up here to help pull down on the handle so that the wheels wouldn't pop up. And between the wheels on the dolly and the wheels on the lawnmower and the wheels on the back side of this thing, I moved it. That's rednecks can't be kept down. I will say this though. That innocent looking rubber bucket was a stopping point. I had to move it out of the pen. Yeah. It was stopping it from moving. But anyway, it's moved. I got dry land for the chickens. Now, we get to figure out how we're going to get the chickens from there to here. Yeah, didn't quite think that through, did I? Okay, well, on to the plans. Alright, over there in that pink bucket right there is the magic chicken moving dust, also known as chicken feed. And you can't really tell it. Well, you probably can, I don't know. But, let's see if I can move the camera just a little bit. Yeah. There's the cattle panel cage up there. Those are the panels I made for the wagon. So when I move trash. So, I took those panels since I'm not moving trash. And I'm reusing them now to move the meat birds out of their pen into that temporary pen. So let's put down some of the chicken moving dust, and let's open the door and see if the chicken moving dust actually works. I might open the door first. Unfortunately, you'll be looking at my back. Alright, on to phase 2 since phase 1 worked. Alright, over there in that pink bucket right there is the magic chicken moving dust, also known as chicken feed. And you can't really tell it. Well, you probably can, I don't know. But let's see if I can move the camera just a little bit. Yeah. There's a cattle panel cage up there. Those are the panels I made for the wagon. So when I move trash. So I took those panels since I'm not moving trash. And I'm reusing them now to move the meat birds out of their pen into that temporary pen. So let's put down some of the chicken moving dust. And let's open the door and see if the chicken moving dust actually works. I might open the door first. Unfortunately, you'll be looking at my back. Alright, on to phase 2 since phase 1 worked. Alright, so the final step is to put this jug in that bucket, but to put that bucket in the pen because the chickens are probably thirsty. So, let me move the water, get them some water, and I'll have the chickens relocated. I'm wore out. So, For everybody who's made it this far into the video, I don't say it nearly enough, but I sure appreciate you guys. It helps me to know that I'm sharing a video with somebody and they think it's worth their time enough to watch it all the way to the end. Hopefully it helps you. Hopefully if you're discouraged by your projects and your lack of finances and your lack of help and everything else, that you'll see what I'm doing with my little bit of finances and my little bit of help, and maybe you'll be encouraged. But I got another project done today. I don't know what it is. I got some kind of bug. I go and work and do anything, and it just wears me out. So I'm wore out, but the chickens have moved. I don't have to worry about the mud no more. So, yeah, they moved. So, I hope everybody has a great Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you again.